Copenhagen. Welcome back to a new video. So today we are exploring and I'm bringing you guys on a day in my life in Copenhagen, Denmark, and we're leaving tomorrow morning. So we only have one day to enjoy, but I'm gonna try to make this as fun as possible. And right now we just got out of the hotel and we're just walking around. I'll update you guys on where we're going, but it's around like 10 right now. And I'm just gonna bring you on a day in my life in Copenhagen. Currently it's like 18 degrees, so it's kind of cold. So my mom gave me this little like thing for my neck, and I'm just covering myself because I don't want to get sick. We're currently at this food court and we're trying to find food. There's a bunch of international food from everywhere. And I'm trying to find what I want to eat. Trying to find lunch. So we finished eating lunch and it was pretty okay, and now we're trying to find a crepe place that we saw yesterday because we arrived yesterday but we arrived kind of late, so we're trying to find this crepe place that we saw yesterday that was so good. It literally looked so delicious, but we forgot the name and the streets, so we're trying to find it right now and I'm so excited. So right now we're at a coffee shop and we got some water. We've just been chilling here. I ate the crepe and honestly it wasn't as good as I thought. We saw this crepe like earlier and it smelled really good and it looked really good, and there was a big line, so I was like, oh, I want to try it so much. And I really love crepes, especially like Nutella crepes. So I ordered it and honestly my expectations were so high that it's not that it was bad, but it's not the best crepe that I've tried, and I had really high expectations for it. So maybe that's why it wasn't as good. But yeah, right now we're just chilling at this coffee shop. I'm kind of tired, but I don't know what we're gonna do right now. We're probably gonna head out, walk around, and explore the city a little bit more. And then soon we will eat some dinner and then head back to the hotel, I think, because we leave tomorrow to Norway. And I am very excited because we're gonna go to two cities in Norway, Bergen and Oslo, and yeah. So currently I'm at this restaurant. It's called Capricci, something like that. It's Italian, and I just finished eating some pizza. Honestly, it was very mid. It's like kind of thin, and like I like thin pizza, but it was just not good quality, but honestly it's fine. Anyways, right now we're gonna go back to the hotel. It's around like 8 right now. We're gonna probably walk around a little bit more and then head back to the hotel because we have to wake up at like 4 a.m. tomorrow to go to the airport, which is very early, but that's why we have to go to sleep a little bit early. And I have to pack because yesterday night my suitcase literally fell off like this thing that I put it on, and then everything like literally fell, and it's such a mess. So I had to like do my suitcase and do all of these things, but right now I'm like hiding in the bathroom because I wanted to like make this clip. But I'm gonna head back to the hotel. I feel like this video is super short because I didn't really talk, so that sucks. But I'm with family and I don't really want to like vlog because I don't know, I'm kind of embarrassed.
and you know, I didn't really have much to like talk about and stuff, but I promise that in the next few videos, like this Copenhagen vlog, I didn't really vlog much because we were only here for like 24 hours and everything was very fast. We didn't really do any fun things. We kind of just like winged it. But we're going to Norway and it's going to be way more fun. I feel like we have a lot more things planned, and then the rest of my summer vacation is going to be so much better. I'm going to be able to vlog. I'm going to be with my boyfriend and all that. So just don't worry, the good vlogs are coming soon. But I'm going to head back to the hotel right now and finish off the vlog then.
But I just wanted to talk a little bit. So I love this city. Like Copenhagen is such a good city. Like it's very clean, honestly, and I love the people here. Like everyone is so nice and pretty and respectful, and I haven't really had any like rude interactions, which I really appreciate. I love when I go to like a new city and I travel, and I really like the people from there, because it's very like, it would make me like want to come back and maybe even like move here one day. Not saying that I am, but you know. But my final thoughts on this city is that there's not really much to do, like compared to like New York or like a big city like that where there's like a bunch of things to do. This city is more like reserved. There's not really much to do, but at the same time it's very cute, and it's like a little chill city that you could just like come and like spend a little weekend and not really do much.